IGC News. Mema Obibia Akwawa. I had the latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. I need to subscribe. Obody say over subscribe to the channel. What the other answer over the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We answer video be uploaded. So once I thank you. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now if you share my Kufour so when you be here now and somewhere echo. Afriyie young here and summer abeto ye panso. You mean a year founders there, Akufo Addo who said Kufour by you and separate. Just say a year Kwame the founder of Ghana. Now what the name offer, IGP Dampare and Kufour the count. Now this year founders day. Now when a year in coma the back Bema a year seku in coma. Abeto be their money a year Akufo Addo in the year founders day who said Sammy. So a year historian. Anochi or the assembly Agafa a Sansom Wig now. Now, yes, Semreno and Tentemara, ET a year and summer a year Nkumaba, a year Sekunkumadi Tuga and historian, ET17.
Agyapadie document no, Eba Nanado Danko Akufo Addo Ajimu 2007 September. Eti producer when the man can't trust me pe, Bakushusha Mami. Che Kufour, where who cry na oshe brown top. O kan se say NPP 4 kopo bi o be hye nanan a won pe nipa wo hwehwe na wo be hu no de ti Kufour kan sa ne se kwabrane ko hye na busu achi na odi nsamboni ti amanfo se de be ya na busu betena se a wo hwehwe na wo hu ne da.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Because
hot news all
I am
time.
sitting here and telling you Ghana ham penifo akukudam eni Agyapadie document real. Me and I'm in Agyapadie document as I'm just telling you the history. Me na me starting here with TV so. And now will be a kabi. Now kai gabi. President there been kai. Calls. 2008 se Ghana for be kaya. Ye two first round in the year no. Nanado call London. Eko di Christmas. Pacho amurafia na me be ka sama kyerebo. Say o man till a da ho say no. Mami je Kufour video na fe mi wi a matoa so producer nyame nhyira. Ko
anybody who is always full of tension,
fighting
and that sort of thing, we have to be careful about. The country must stay together. Then, when we see such a person, we must also look and see when we present this person to the rest of the country, all of Ghana, he must be the type most people will look at and say, this man, when we sleep on him, we will sleep. He's a good person, we'll work with him. That's how to get the majority, to secure the majority. So, among the candidates or aspirants coming, listen to everybody. Please, it's not the money they will bring around. If they call you, give you 10 million, and you think because of that you're going. When you want to catch a chicken, what do? You give corn. But then that corn might lead to his death. So it's not money. So the candidate that will come is not the money. Listen, ask questions, see how the mind works, look at his nature, and see whether the party you lead us all together like one family, and then after the party, the nation, the majority of the nation will accept this person for leader. The third thing you must again look for, whether when the power is given to this person to lead us, he's a type with the experience, and with all due respect, the wisdom.
Wisdom
to be able to keep them.
Producer, pause it. Well said, do wisdom. Kufour said, with all due respect, wisdom. 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 To us all.
The country united. To secure the nation. To gain the respect of the forces, the military, the police, the chiefs. Look out for that. Because we know the history. Some people have been given power only to lose it just like that.
So when I'm telling you the history of Agyapadie, go and listen to this video. Watch it carefully, closely. You will know Jay was talking about Agyapadie. Because yenya na ye DJ echi wa ban NPP me DJ Kufour na me swa me wo JSS 1998 Sunyane I was the youngest Bisananado I was the youngest demonstrator tama na ye kumpreko me na nam kutani nsuo maka kira osa Kufour was talking about Agyapadie Mensah me ya hwe video fofra ma eti Agyapadie document no that idea was conceived in 2007 in September. I've told you. Huh? Maybe our business we wo kroma nti me body dia one sha na nipa bi eto ade won shop one hwe no assign men describing nso ono ni kunu ena woye from so send Agyapadie document no ema no eno ye friend bam eno eti no ye wie 2008 first round because I'm referee meba nanado ye nyina ye ni abre as the members of the New Patriotic Party ye kotumu womu bu ye bruta wotumu 2008 ye free tumu ba ye bedu tafo ye koda himbro no won na wo bu ye no se na wo onafofo kuma se wo frɛ won mo mbe gua ye heavy biom enipa na only decide ye friend Sly Akatmovi no ya Ashanti region NDC regional secretary mungo busa samboa me na Alhaji Sani usha Alhaji Sani abisa no Alhaji Sani tiase nana battle wawu eti me yi nana battle dance ya enye ye me edu baby na NDC ni bia ni Ashanti regional no pemasem eti posifo ewo Ashanti region wo kire me baabia aya mempie nko me pia baabia memfa se me betuka memfre se me kwa ha fre uduru ho fre because they do that time no man who said no akwana friend Captain Smart no that guy is up to something why anya careful obama ye lose election no time ye ni abre Kufour fre ye ni ho hancho na no why o se me call London o kwa den wo London o se me ko di bronya me do bibia bisa Akufo Addo na what the team ina say after the first round he was leading. You remember? So he thought that it was a done deal. And nunema Sheikh ICGC beka Agbena naturally say yewie Dimachi. I'm telling you the history about Agyapadie. It is real. Let nobody deceive you. Nana do free land and buy yendo. The first visit was Ashanti region. Yeshia was snaked for conference room. Bisano Samwa. Ye fi hono ye call Georgia Hotel Bisano Samwa. That day and a door fair na do nsano epono e fair nsa say fiu ono ana bi no ono ana man fe no on that unhunu de onyo ho na wa mapono after news on YouTube and ask him when the catcher and say he should not trust the Ghana Police Service. He shouldn't trust the Ghana Armed Forces. He should look for his own private security to handle his security, especially doors. Bisano, Akufo Addo say, why in the trend is aqua, one cast as a channel. Gyamfi no to, and when we deep dodo. 2008, second round. Yahu baby, Uncle Mills, Ofi, Obezine, Ebam. Review of that meeting. Pacho, Bisam. MPP mpenifo na wo ho say maame na wo mama ne koto enam suya na ode mo kan say small chops anamwa metwa e de kan ho baaye no den na mo pam no so mfa ne ma nyina nko obi andi e bi say MPP mpenifo say den that day Haruna Eseku he was there. Piero Macmenu was there. Dan was there. Your friend say Kwabena was there. Lord was there. Nana himself was sitting there. Bawumia was right there. And other party national executives and influencers in the party, they were there. Then they see yes, you can't say on fire in free hall. Say they would take Agyapadie MPP man. You have no idea. A Juma Mamino Wayama MPP. Agyapadie. A Juma Mamina Yama MPP no. I'm talking about Agyapadie. Haja fatiti se ohwe solo na hu no ba no ho oni ha hwe eti tema Kojo Afarijan de betu mu se on timi declare winner na SSA ye yiri ye ho na ye kotan. That was when obi edit document no ma Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings wewu tiemiye Agyapadie book no 2008 na Rawlings ehuna kan eti sa obe kai carefully obe kai Rawlings did kind what time Mr. Producer would just Google Rawlings' speech at time let's see asama Rawlings a kind what time you can't say ten or time or whatever there's an I ebema what ya say na Agyapadie Rawlings what home popoye Agyapadie the idea came September 2007 yes me say what was a war be man kokot men press conference men ko ba 213,000 majije so mo press conference kokot and ye lusu ye 2012 I am quoting John Dramani Mahama 2012 ye kokot after he was sworn in
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube
I'm on cry 2012 elections no 2013 ne almost when John Mahama in 7 January me ban crying me sign me ne multimedia adom eba sign say me ye adwuma wo ho ena won say o mama me 50,000 no mama me 35 15 be sin ne kro mu ntuai ena edidi mu asamre ko ko te be pie manim na maba am ti adom so mwa okay me be kam bibi ko fondi bachi de na ade abechi Emma Supreme Court did ruling that bad then they see Ghana. Where was Captain Koda? What did he say? Are you people listening? Are you following? Ni na be ko be si be ba yina ko wie say yes Mahama ndi president e free hokono and Agyapadie started say a play off bisa John Dramani Mahama maboni din ba ko me sambo bi mu bisa say when na what MPP more of friend no when na what MPP more of friend no or call it the bluff of that person. He called the bluff of that person. Men ka details no one mo ben Mahama no friend ne busa no obi wo MPP mo friend no man or the nipa no I say or be say yenye ni say no yenye ni say na yenti ase na wo fafa say no yenso fafa say John Mahama called the bluff and John Mahama catch say nipa no say da ye be bua asam no me fufuo I wear white and indeed da ye bua asam no wo mu twa video ba no oni na busuafo yina no wa hye say nipa no 0277 2813 the academy more I know and they know I know. Fair to Jane. It's a do 2016. All of us were taken for a fool. All of us. Myself, name whoever, the so-called senior journalist. And I came here to apologize to John Mahama. And over there with Dubai. And over there with and why you say. And why you say. And why you say. Basin there. Obedient means there. Single room. 80. Ye do 2015 and adena no ye din answer na 2015 ade be pie no don't forget say 2012 na Agyapadie document unity 2012 and ye to abani san lusu yi papa ya je Kufour de school feeding buy on na share so kan doctor Akoto for that the body pie and anado mebusa MPP from penny for say biso osafmafo on the sort osafmafo wu so wu musa no say obisa Dr. Akoto for say dey ntina wendi wu nuachi na ukodi alihu mahamachi answer ben na Akoto for the man answer ofrim Akoto for rejected Nanado and followed alihu mahama. Do you know why? It was because of Agyapadie biso osafmafo otiase onwu me ho ahom te kakra Tisa wone me nama. For what dream? Any nyansa kabum. Na ne me nante brew. Ne suame. Na obe hu se. Wone santrofia noma. Enanam. Mr. Penibi as a santrofia noma. Isu to say. Watch me a. Watch ya depa. Ujamia. Wejai bibi. E wasama. Ye do 2016 August. Something nearly played off. And I played out. Mem mankolego. Onse nanado the stage bi bugum. Producer Kwabena nanado the stage na ebuegum. Na obi pesa oso krata bi. No obi pesa o save a particular document. Time on the stage that document Agyapadie document. You people, I don't know. Ghana for her.
Watching juicy news. Yes, it has hot news.
Discredit Kufour.
Watching juicy news.
Continuously discredit or search for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And then make sure that JB Dankwa goes up. I am sitting here and telling you, JB Dankwa, only at the Coca Epe, NDC Greater Accra Regional Chairman. JB Dankwa politically baby or Fruko ye only at the Coca Epe. JB Dankwa Assemblyman election pro Owusu. JB Dankwa Assemblyman election. Nana don't change election. JB Dankwa winning here. People teacher. Other JB Dankwa kuta degree. And na a ye ne true was a tip. But another video now. Oh, the stage ni buaguno. Show video ni. Ghana menina. Say. Hold on. Hold on. Eh? A brand say be. I am a producer. Wa debi oyana come. The Osha Blackie. Na chiwo akwabia de mama so aye shine wahano. This guy will move. Akwa webe movie from aha and na kokasa. Wo de bo video ni biom. Bo na hade. Tell your mama wa na adwuma da bia ye. Wo de bo eh akwa ye ba be fa. E den na sheta wo ni. Ahwa magana manyina atumi ko school akwa akosia bibia e be boa wa na boa o manga. Ah. Akwa so ye ba be fa ama adwuma ba Ghana. And your branch and your mama one and your mother be I. Ghana Hana yet no, yen crowem, yenimu.
Yo, Tivo, winning and somewhere yes, Seku, in Nkrumah ba Edituga, Afriyie, Founders Day, or to be money a year, Akufo Addo, Sasso, and a year historian. I'm not sure what they and simply Africa 5 years as a week now. Because GC so and over so you know, subscribe, or I say, over subscribe to the channel. So I say, had the latest and hot news in Kwa, and I'm a day, Bremo. Also, betting at what being Afriyie, so we now, I will comment box me. Boakye Agyarko in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.